In the previous lecture, we learned about the headings. In this lecture, we're going to learn about paragraph, line breaks, and thematic break element. So we're going to start with the P tag, which is the paragraph element. The P element is a block level element and represents a paragraph. We're going to start by just adding a P tag. This is how you define the P tag or the paragraph element. And inside this element here, okay, a content can be added there. Okay, so let's go to our browser and let's go to this website called Lipson.com. Yeah, Lipson.com. And we're going to generate two paragraphs. Okay, scroll down and come to this text field here and just add the number 2 just to generate two paragraphs and click generate. I'm just gonna grab one paragraph. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay, copy. Gonna close it. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it in between the P tags. Okay, now let's save it and uh, refresh the page. I mean the browser. Okay, and there you have it. This is how you define a P tag with some content inside. Next, we have the line break element. So the web browsers do not read human minds. What do I mean by this? Well, let's just say we typed this paragraph here, and so we want from the second sentence all the way to the end, we want all this content to start on the next line. Okay, most likely we would immediately hit enter like this, right? And of course, we are expecting to see some results in the web browsers if we typed it, right? Let's just save it and check it out. And you see nothing happens. The second sentence still remains in the first line, right? That's because web browsers don't observe what line your code is on. Therefore, they remove extra lines and also extra spaces. Now, in order for the web browser to do what we want, we need to add a line break element anywhere between the P tags. In our case, it's right here, right? So I'm just gonna bring this back up, and the way to define a line break is just like this. That's it, BR. Okay. By adding this line break tag, we are telling the web browsers to take the content to the next line. So let's save it and check it out. And there it is. Okay. You can see the differences there. Now we have our content the way we want it. And this is the way to start off in a new line by using a line break. Don't use many line breaks at once. Instead, create sections and use CSS to create the space you need. Finally, we have the thematic break. The thematic break is used to separate paragraph level elements. For example, a change of topic with a section. Let's define it. Let's just copy the whole paragraph there. Let's save it. And see, we have now two paragraphs here. Now, let's add the thematic break. And the thematic break is basically HR. Okay. Remember, this is a line break. This is a thematic break. Now let's save it. Refresh, and there we have it. We have a line. It used to called a horizontal line break, but now it's called thematic break. Okay. Now, note that the thematic break and the line break are named as empty elements, meaning that they do not take any content. You see, they don't take any content inside. Well, that is it for now. We learned that the P element is the block level element and represents a paragraph. We also learned that the web browsers remove extra spaces and extra lines. Finally, the thematic break is used to separate paragraph level elements. In the next lecture, we're going to learn about formatting.